Hey friends, in this video I'll be telling you how to export videos in Hitfilm. So start Hitfilm, click on new, then click on start editing. Minimize Hitfilm, then drag and drop the sample video to the media panel. Then again drag and drop this video to your timeline. This is a video which I'm going to export. This video is of around 35 to 36 seconds. So on the left side of your timeline you can see that there are two icons. The first icon is export contents. This option is used to export the entire content of your timeline. The second option is export in out area. This option is used to export only the work area of your timeline. So first I'll go with export contents, which is used to export the entire work of your timeline. So click on export contents, then go to export and then start export. The export has finished. When I play this video, you can see that the duration of the video before and after the export is same. Like this option has exported the entire content of the timeline. Now I will show you how the second option works. Play the video, then click on select in point. That is the position from where you want the video to start, and then click on set out point. This is the position where you want the video to end. You will be able to see gray portion on your timeline. Like this, you have selected a work area. Then click on export in out area, then go to export. Then start export. The export has finished. When I play this video, you can see that the duration of the video is only of 6 seconds. So using option 2, you have exported only a part of your timeline. That was all from my side. Thanks for watching and have a great day.